I believe. Yep. Ah. All right. Whoo. Man. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Look at that. All right. So, I was trying to get an intro fish, and guess what I have right here? I got an intro fish. So look, guys, it is late August right now, mid to late August, and man, I'm having a hard time catching the fish this morning. Let me hit my power poles. Woo. All right. So it's mid to late August, and I'm trying to catch fish, and I was in a shallow flat with lily pads, and I lost one big fish. Man, I lost a big fish out here, guys. Got one. Oh my goodness, guys. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Woo! That was a nice fish there, guys. And I went to, I didn't get any bites. So what I did, I found the closest canal. This canal is about 8 foot deep. Second cast, guys, second cast, I got a fish on a speed worm. All right, let's let her go. Nice fish though. Today's episode, catching fish with everything you got, because I have no idea what they're gonna bite today, but we know what, guys, we're gonna give it everything we have, and we're gonna use worms, crankbaits, whatever we can find to catch fish like this or even bigger. So let's let her go. That tastes nasty. That's nasty water. Oh, guys, got another hit. Oh, nice one. All right. There we go, it's a nice little fish. Beautiful. Man, that is 2 fish within 20 feet from each other. That's not bad, it's a good start, guys. I call that a trend. Whenever I get more than one, that's my trend, knowing that they're biting right here. So let's let it go. There we go. Nice. All right, little guy. Hey, we'll take him. Not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Hey guys, so look, I was at Lake Garcia and the grass was thick. I mean, that place was pretty thick, so I didn't want to mess around with a lot of grass with the engine and so forth, so I decided to go to C54. Now, out here is a huge, deep canal. Now, this canal is about 14 to 15 feet deep, and what we're gonna focus on is bridges right here. Man, check this out, guys. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Caught that guy. Look at that. Man. I mean, it got him good too, guys. Yikes. I'm gonna try to let him go. There we go. Check that out. Cool. Let's let it go. He ain't gonna make it. Hey guys, all right. Hey look, Mike Tyson said everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. And guess what? I got punched in the face. I went to Lake Garcia this morning and it was shallow. I mean, the water's really shallow and there was a lot of hydrilla. So basically I was getting clogged on my boat constantly. I had to keep stopping and going, and it's no fun to fish that way. But I did manage to catch a few fish, and I lost one big one. I decided to go to C54. It's only about 10 minutes away, maybe 15. And guys, I came here, I snagged a little pinfish, and I lost one fish, and that was it. That was nothing. It is summertime. It is late August, and sometimes bass are hard to catch this time of year. Usually they're in deep water or up, in the morning times it could be shallow around the hydrilla. But look, sometimes guys, there's almost a 0 day. But anyway, it was not a 0 day. I still had a great time. Today's lure that caught the fish was a Zoom Speedworm right here, guys. And I got a 3/16 ounce bullet weight and a 5/0 hook. And that's what I caught the fish on today. I did try spinner baits, crank baits, and several other topwater baits. Nothing at all. Speedworm did the trick. But look guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and like always, I'll catch you on the next one. I tell you what guys, I do not like being stuck when you're by yourself. I mean, that is, it's not good. It's been really shallow, and I was trying to get my boat over that hump right there. And whew, I'm out. Let's get home. Thank goodness.